Hey guys, I want to say that I got these products for free from Influenster and JLo Beauty in exchange for an honest review. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am one busy mama. Thanks for coming by. This is my first Influenster box. So I've been filling out a lot of their profile, ask questions, rate some of your favorite products on Influenster. It is an app, and this is my first box. So let's open it up and see what we got. It says just for you, and it also says fragile liquid, so I'm curious. And if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for coming by, and if you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see more. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I got JLo Beauty. Oh my god. I was just saying on the best of 2020, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the cards. I would like to try JLo's products. Wow. Are they listening to me? This is JLo Beauty. Beauty has no expiration date. And that girl is right. If you've seen her, she is only getting better. So it says get started. So this was created by JLo, Jennifer Lopez. After 3 decades in the spotlight, JLo Beauty is about empowering every woman to encourage her own limitless glow at every age. In her words, to be youthful and timeless at every age, you deserve skincare that works as hard as you do. And I love skincare. So I got 2 products that I can see here. 2 products. These are full-size products. Look at this gorgeous packaging. Doesn't this scream luxury? This is, oh, it has SPF 30. Wow. Can you guys check that out? It's so, like, I don't think it's glass, but it's hard plastic. JLo Beauty, that big screen. That's what this one is called. And, let's see, broad spectrum SPF moisturizer. 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 mLs. Gold. That's what it looks like. Look at the cap. I mean, like, wow. Ooh. It has that little sunscreen smell. My face is clean because I just cleaned it. This is what that looks like. Very, very lightly scented. And you can always use sunscreen in Florida. Just put this on. So right now, it went on pretty well. I don't see like a white cast. Sometimes you get that. Still no scent. It's very, very light. Like not even heavy SPF scented. And then this one is a gel cream cleanser. The packaging is stunning. It has like this squared N or rectangular N here. That single hit is what this is called. 5 fluid ounces, 150 mLs gel cream cleanser. So it does have a seal. It has no scent. Just want to show a little. That's what it's looking like. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like a pink pearlescent look. Very nice. It's foaming up. Very nice texture. There's no beads, no rough scrub in there. It's just like a gel cream cleanser. And it's very light. There is a scent, but it's very light. This is the cleanser, and then I will do a short video to attach, but so far liking both of these products that I just got in my Influenster. This has amazing packaging. Like even if you display this on your vanity in your bathroom. Oh my gosh. So kudos for JLo on launching her skincare, and I will give you a try and give you my honest review. So hang in there, guys. I have tried them out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some clips of me using the cleanser, and then I will cut to the moisturizer cream. I'll give you some information on a separate screen about the ingredients, but it's meant to brighten, refine, and smooth, and I'll show you how I apply it. So here it is. A little goes a long way. Add some water. And JLo mentioned that it is meant to take off makeup. And it is very gentle, lightly foaming. And voila. Not harsh, not abrasive. And she calls it the hit single because it is the one thing you need, according to her. So, thanks so much, Influenster and JLo Beauty, for letting me try this. And I will get back to the review. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, so I did use the two products that I got free from Influenster and JLo Beauty. Okay, this is the Gel Cream Cleanser, and that big screen, this is the Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Moisturizer. So I did go ahead and use them. I wanted to give you a few specs on ingredients in either one and my thoughts. So if you go on jlobeauty.com or Sephora, which is where they're selling it, you can get a description of the products. These are full-size products, by the way, that I got. This is a lightweight, broad-spectrum SPF 30 moisturizer formulated with a hydrating blend of hyaluronic acid, natural sugars, and glycerin designed to visibly plump and protect skin. That's what hyaluronic acid does naturally, or the point of it is. They say skin type is for normal, dry, combination, and oily, so essentially all of them. Skin concerns, fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and dullness. It is a lightweight cream. I will agree with that. It's very thin. It's not thick. It doesn't feel heavy, tacky, or like you feel like you have it on. It doesn't have that. So it's a hydration complex blend of hyaluronic acid. It has licorice root, which they say is a natural soother with a brightening effect. Also, marine bamboo, a natural at protecting from high energy blue light. All right. They do say that they are free of parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, oxybenzone, and it's also cruelty free. So we'll move on to the ingredients of the JLo Beauty That Hit Single, because she said if you need one thing, it would be a great gel cream cleanser to remove makeup and everything. This is a silky gel cream cleanser that lifts daily dirt and makeup in one squeaky clean wash while unclogging pores. Now, I did watch her video on her website, jlobeauty.com, and she does talk about how it removes everything in one wash. Skin type, normal, dry, combination, and oily. Concerns for skin, pores, dullness, and oiliness. It's great. Formulation is liquid. You guys did see me. I put it on. I showed it to you on my hand. It reminds me of baby shampoo. That same silky feeling, that texture that it just glides on. It's very smooth and silky, just like that. So highlighted ingredients, that doesn't mean that's all of them. They're just highlighted. Rice bran, coconut fruit, Japanese knotweed root, which provide antioxidant protection and soothe the skin. Glycolipids, fermented blend of grapeseed oil and sugar. This removes excess oil and makeup and leaves the look of pores refined. The look. So, doesn't actually get rid of pores. JLo Beauty Olive Complex. So this is her signature complex. It's a blend of squalene, fermented oil, extra virgin olive oil, and leaf extract, which deliver rich hydration. It is free of parabens, formaldehyde releasing agents, phthalates, sulfates, SLS and SLES, and contains less than 1% synthetic fragrance, which I did pick up. It's like so minute, the fragrance, but I have a nose for that. So it's also cruelty free. What else do you need to know? According to Sephora's website, this hydrating one-step gel cream cleanser is powered by glycolipids, which clear pore clogging residue, leaving skin feeling fresh and refined. Some of the same things I already mentioned. Now, I will agree. My face did not feel dry after. Like sometimes if you use a very harsh cleanser, you'll feel your skin like, and it feels like it needs the moisture, all right? I didn't feel like it was stripping away my skin. So I will agree with that. And the moisturizer did feel very nice, delicate, thin, nothing heavy. Neither one of these felt heavy. Now, these are only 2 things out of the whole line of products, and these are the ones that I was given to try out for free by Influenster and JLo Beauty with an exchange of an honest review. So this is my honest review. Let me know what you guys think. I probably have repeated myself a million times, but I don't know which part I will be inserting. So I do like this. I'm gonna keep continuing to use it. And if I really like it, I'll probably repurchase. All right, so that was my clip on ingredients, what I really thought, and some more specifics. So stay tuned, guys.